What's going on, everybody? It is Jamie and welcome to the channel Thrift on Fire. It's a bit of a rainy morning here, but I am outside of the Goodwill here in Tillsonburg, Ontario. I really just have some stuff I was going to drop off at Canada Post, and I thought, well, why not go out to the thrift store, see if we can find something interesting. I'm probably going to stick away from, not going to really look at the clothing too much, but maybe a little, but probably not a lot. So I'm going to stick to shoes, electronics, hard goods, stuff like that. Yeah, I don't know. I'm still trying not to source a lot, but it's hard not to source because it's so much fun. I'm sure you guys can relate to that. But anyway, hopefully we don't get soaking wet going inside. It is a bit rainy, so let's get inside, see what we can find. Really happy with the pickups there. $14 and change, a little expensive for boots at this Goodwill anyway, but they are Rockies. I think they're a combat boot or maybe a motorcycle boot, somewhere in there. Vibram bottoms, that's a good thing. Gore-Tex, that's a great thing. I do think I'll get $65 to $80 for those boots. And being this time of year, you know, right now it's rainy, but fall into winter, yeah, I think I'll do good and they'll sell pretty quickly. Now the Vionic shoes or slip-ons, those, I can't remember the brand, but I'll throw it up now or throw comps up if I haven't already. Those are great. Those should be like 50 to 60 bucks. I only paid $8 and change for those. I did not look up the Detroit jersey, but any jersey you can get for like under $5, that's pretty amazing. So they had a price as a t-shirt. That is a vintage Majestic. Looks authentic to me. I didn't look it up. Any jersey at that price I'm going to pick up. I'm going to assume it's worth $30 to $50. I'll throw up something similar anyway, but pretty happy with that. And then the throw blanket, same thing, around $5 and change. I didn't look up comps on that, but a blanket like that, I would expect to get somewhere between probably $30 to $40, somewhere in that price range. If I can find a similar comp, I'll throw it up. But I've sold plenty of those Disney throws in the past, and Pocahontas is definitely going to be a good one. I didn't really realize they were having a 50% off sale today. I still didn't really look through the clothing. I kind of looked to see if there was any jackets or jerseys or anything like that. Didn't see anything, just skimmed through quickly. Shoes, hit or miss in the shoe section, but I did find the Sorels paid, what, $6? So I think they're asking 12, so half of that would be $6. The little mini TV, the Citizen, I can't find comps for that exact one, and it'd be better if it was a VHS instead of a DVD player at the bottom, but those little mini TVs are still good for retro gaming. People like to put them also in like the RVs and campers, stuff like that. Yeah, so I do think we'll get $100+. If I can find something similar, I will throw it up, but I'll probably list it high, maybe around 140, something like that, and I do think it'll sell pretty quickly. Honestly, those things don't sit around for long, so yeah. All right, so I just dropped some stuff off here at Canada Post. Actually want to take a little trip to the Antique Mall. There's the one booth there that always has jerseys. We're gonna check that out. So obviously made it home. I have to go upstairs and finish doing the D-list, re-list. And today I will be done the t-shirts for sure. I think I only have like maybe 5 things left in that bin. I was gonna finish them this morning and I'm getting stir crazy sitting around the house. So that's kind of why I went out. I could have went to the Closer Canada Post here in my hometown, but I decided to go to Tillsonburg because I could go hit a couple thrift stores. Yeah, but let me go upstairs and kind of show you where I'm at and what I'm thinking and what I'm gonna be doing going forward. All right, so I have just a few things left here in the bin. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I guess 7 t-shirts here. These all are done. They have to go back in. And after I get done this bin, I think I have 2 bins worth of pants, which are mostly jeans. There's some shorts in there and stuff. And then in the spare bedroom, I have 2 bins that are basically Dick's Sporting Goods liquidation stuff. Have to go through those as well. I don't really know what's in there. Some of that stuff might get donated. It might be some lower end stuff. It's just stuff that I got from that liquidation buy, and probably listed it just to make sure I got some money back because there was a lot of iffy stuff in that particular buy. I mean, I did good overall, but you just get a lot of low end stuff when you buy stuff in bulk. The TV will get listed today. I'll probably list a pair of shoes as well. I don't have much of a death pile, so I'll probably go ahead and just finish cleaning up the bottoms of these Vionics and get those listed. So I'll get 2 new listings up. I am lacking in shoes, let me show you. So the top row, we're missing one on the top, missing a couple down here. The second row, we're missing a couple, and there's basically nothing on the bottom row except for a pair of these Bass clogs. Now, prior to that, I had this completely full. This one still has, I think, a couple pairs of shoes in there. These 2 had been full, and this one is completely empty now. This was full of shoes as well. So I'm definitely ready to start picking up and listing shoes again, mostly probably from thrift stores, maybe the odd Goodwill bins pickup, depending on what I find when I go there. I just don't want to spend a whole bunch of time there right now as I'm still trying to work through the rest of my store. But as I do a D-list and relist on the jeans, I'm going to try to do some hard goods as well. I'm probably going to go back and forth. I might do, 3 pairs of jeans and 3 hard goods just to sort of mix up my store so it's not just all clothing. But let me show you the kind of stuff that I'm talking about right now. Okay, so I guess I actually have 3 bins of jeans, the silver one, BJ, and Overflow. There's quite a few there. That will take a while, and I do want to mix in maybe some Funko Pops and board games. I do have to go through some of this stuff. I know some of the mugs won't make it. I think I have some books down here, some mangas or whatever they're called. Up here we have some more hard goods. There's a little Texas piggy bank. He might be a good D-list, relist, and the Phillies truck back there as the World Series is just about to start. Some sealed media, and then I think I talked about earlier in the last video, maybe these cassettes down here doing a whatnot, and then I got to figure out what to do with these DVDs as well. So I still do have a good amount of work ahead of me. I was hoping to get all of this done maybe by October. I'm thinking it's going to be the end of November, but with that being said, I am going to start at this point adding in new listings on a regular basis. Like I said, I'll probably get at least the TV and a pair of shoes listed today as brand new listings. And then I will just finish off the 7 t-shirts. I think it's about noon at the moment, and I'm going to work for another 5 hours today until my wife gets home. And I think we're going to go out for dinner. It's Friday night here when I'm filming the video, and in Port Rowan they have a fish special at Chef Stan's. If you're ever in the area, Port Rowan, Ontario, Chef Stan's is amazing. It's a great restaurant. If you guys like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content. Till next time, take care, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.